going on a date.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell 'em, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as y'all can see by the title, we're going on a date. So yeah, we only have one problem. I look like this and we have to go out. So if you guys want to see me transform from this garbage looking person to this, then keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video. Sorry earlier, I just feeling kind of happy because I have a date, you know. So yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna go shower and I will be back. As you guys can see, my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower. I'm about to go do my hair. So yeah. Finished styling my hair. Right now I'm just gonna do a really quick makeup look. It's not really going to be that serious. I just want to do my eyebrows and conceal my under eyes. I don't know if you guys can see these red marks on my face. I got that from staying in one spot for too long with my pore vacuum machine. So yeah. See how I achieved this wet look, please be sure to check out my last video. I'll have the link down in the description box below.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That make ease out.
Chubby drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride.
Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I really didn't do too much. I just did what I said I would do, and now we're gonna go find an outfit. I have this really cute outfit in mind. We're not really going, it's not gonna be too fancy, so I'm just gonna wear some jeans and a top. Let me show you guys.
Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man.
Okay, so this is kind of what we're going for. I have this really cute top from Shein that I got as a gift from my best friend. So here is the problem. I have this little black bag, but like it has silver buckles, and then I have this little cute black bag. This is also from Shein, but it has gold. So I'm kind of like, do I want to go to the silver side or the gold? So yeah, I'll just go put this on really quick.
Came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside.
Okay guys, so I'm really like stuck in between these two bags. To be honest, I'm kind of feeling this one is like giving like yeah, and then the one on my side is more like, I feel like the one on my side kind of makes it a little bit more casual, and then this one is like yeah, no, what's it about? But this is the fit, guys. This is the fit. So I'm just trying to figure out if I should go this way or this way. This would mean silver jewelry, this would mean gold jewelry. To be honest, I like gold jewelry anyway. It's not that serious. So I think I'm just gonna go with this bag, and we're going to probably layer a few chains or something. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the fit. Leave a rate down in below. Let me know if you guys like the outfit that I choose for today. So that was a fit. This is the end of the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna insert clips at my date or not. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all see notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.